Hello po. Today is Tuesday ng hapon. Ito yung strawberry namin. They coming back now. My husband is opening the water. We will water it. Spring is coming. What Mice doing? He ride to the tractor. Mice, what are you doing there, Kuya? Come here. Say welcome to Show Me Gold family. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Ayan. Have water na. It's so cold. It's so cold, no? It's cold. Say Happy Tuesday. Don't get it. Come on, Mice. Yeah. Happy Tuesday. We are watering our strawberry. Yes. Yes. It's so cold. It's fun. Yes. It's cold. That is a nice cold.
There's a ton of new growth.
We're hoping that we can harvest strawberry
This year.
this year. We planted this
Last year.
last year. It's been 1 year. It's fun. It's cold. And we will add another box.
We get 9 more boxes.
9 more boxes.
I have a garden out here this year.
Just this now. Oh.
Until Tata comes and then he'll plant his.
No, we will not plant there.
He'll plant his normal
We
stuff.
just plant flower there. It's cold.
You give him a good water and just water the shit out of him.
It's cold, no? This is our
Because this is new.
first.
That's new.
What do you call this box?
Above ground.
It looks like your Miles.
Using Miles'
Oo.
saliva to
Additional nutrients.
give it more nutrients. This one looked like it died.
That.
Yeah.
Maybe it will come back.
See?
Let's see.
Oh, yeah, I don't
We need to do this probably twice a week.
The watering.
Yeah.
You're helping Daddy Bear. You're a good helper. I hope when we have strawberry bay, you will eat. Try to eat that nut. It's fun. Say hello, everyone. Welcome to Show Me Gold Family. You're wetting me. It's cold, no? It's cold. You will turn up na. I will hold the dad.
Yeah.
So daddy will turn up at the
Okay.
the main. Yes. Okay na din. It's cold. We hope you grow good. And you get a lot of fruit. She's following again, Daddy. Please support our YouTube channel and Show Me Gold Family Facebook page. Ay, no more na. Go, baby. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, Show Me Gold Family. You have a great day, everyone. Spring is coming and we are excited to plant a lot of vegetables and fruits. Say bye-bye. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.